Hi, it's really. Techscrew grandma was in shock when she saw a subwoofer from her van at my room kicking a lot of bass. In the last video I showed you how to easily connect a car audio system at home. Today I will show you how this budget Alpine car active subwoofer from grandma car improves the sound of cheap, small multimedia speakers at home. After the video feel free post a comment. How do you think? My small speakers now sound more impressive?